Hey guys, Snow here, back with another video. Today we're going to be opening the second gift of Jamaaliday gift calendar. Some of the reasons is I didn't open yesterday's gift when I did, so I guess that's a bit of a weird stuff. But here we get a holly rug, which I guess is pretty cool. I mean, who would not like a holly rug in their den? It's like the best thing you can ever get. And why is that gingerbread man right there? That is something. We'll never know. Why don't we put the carpet there? Makes sense. Put the holly rug here. So yeah, guys, wow. So yeah, guys, pretty much really cool because Jamaalidays is our favourite time of year. Don't know why it wouldn't be anyone's. So put that there. Oh no, wait there. Yeah. I'm just checking all the items out today because reindeer mask. I have a really good look with like the pink one because I've already planned it out. So what I need to do, I need to start saving my gems, guys. I'm a really bad saver and I should really start. I might delete all these robot masks. I don't know why, but I'm probably never going to use them. So this color. So yeah, I'm just gonna, this one will take a while, so I'm just gonna pause it, and show you when it's done. So guys, here is a look. It's a very manly look, if I do say so myself. But what I really want to see is that somebody said to me that there's a new item out in Jamaaliday store. Now they could, yep, they're lying. Maybe they did mean the Jamaaliday antlers. I don't know. But I believe that I am going to be getting this Jolly Jamaalidays bundle, and I will be showcasing it because that, my friend, is that we are going to be wanting to be doing. Now, I've actually had this idea of actually doing Animal Jam Play Wild videos because I've never done Animal Jam Play Wild videos. So I really want to try it out, and I believe you can also get it on the computer, which is also quite cool. Because I only thought you could get it on like iPads and phones, but you can get it on the laptop, which I think is pretty cool. I'm just checking out the stores here. So yeah, oh wait, wrong one. So it seems pretty cool. I have played it before, but I've never really played it, like I've never really played it a lot. I mean, I think I have played it before, but I think I only played it for like, I don't know, like 1-2 days, and then I stopped playing it because I wanted to play the real Animal Jam. Well, I wouldn't say the real one, just I prefer this Animal Jam one to the one and yeah. But I might check out the Belush stuff because no one really visits Belush. Like you don't really see anyone in Belush, probably because like wait, they're Christmas. Oh no, they should have made Christmas Juno ones. That would have been really cool. I might make a whole den dedicated to Juno. I might do like a speed one, but I might see the plants that they say at Christmas because oh cool. A Narcissus. Cool, I don't know how you even say that word, so I'm just completely guessed. But yeah, guys, you should really log into Animal Jam today, and you can get your very own exclusive holly rug, which I believe will not come out ever again. So be sure to log in today. It won't be worth much, but it sure won't be coming back. It won't be worth much because pretty much everyone will have the holly rug. But yeah, it's pretty cool, and I'm really looking forward to tomorrow. But it's Monday tomorrow, so screw me. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to the next Jamaaliday gift. If I just log in to my storage really quick, my storage app, I believe that I think I don't know really, but let's just get the holiday rug or the holly rug. And then okay, and then put it here. Oh, it's still Halloween. I don't really go on this account, so like I don't go on this account that much. But yes, I just wait, let me just oh yeah, I thought this tub was beta, but it's really not. I just need to like delete everyone on here because they're not my real friends. Yeah, only have me and my glorious self. But yeah, wait, let me just check when Jamaaliday jams on. Oh, it's only 36 minutes. Maybe I could pause. Wait, 46 minutes. I'm just joking, guys. I can't really be bothered to log on back. But I really want to select this owl. Is this owl gonna be new? I mean, is it gonna be new? Or is it in this bundle? It's pretty cool. But yeah, this like it's gonna be it's like a hint maybe in the next Animal Jam. It's gonna be like maybe a hint in the next Animal Jam update that new. Do you mind that new owl may be coming, because I haven't seen that owl anywhere else unless it's come and I'm just plain blind and I didn't see it. Yeah, they're not here. Well, I don't know then. But yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.